we were definitely not here. Sneaking down hallways past midnight lights, your hand in mine, try not to ignite. Crew members walk by, we freeze in place. You grin like trouble wrapped in lace. Slip through a door to the quiet deck. You press me close, kiss the side of my neck. Moon on the water like silver fire. Your touch burns hotter than pure desire. We're not supposed to be here alone, but rules don't matter when the tension's grown. You say we're breaking every code tonight. I say then hold me while we do it right. Don't tell the captain what we did. Hands on my body like a wild sweet sin. Caught in the dark where the ship wind spins. If this is wrong, baby, I'm all in. Secret kisses under ocean black. If they come looking, we won't look back. Hearts racing fast like a midnight attack. Shh, don't tell the captain that. Security walks by, we hide and laugh. You pull me close like you need a half of whatever danger we're dancing through. I swear the moonlight belongs to you. Your hands explode like a quiet crime. Body sinking in perfect time. Every look says break another rule. Every touch says baby keep it cool. Every secret feels better shared. You kiss me harder like we're being dead. I say one more rule won't hurt at all. You say then meet me by the waterfall. Don't tell the captain what we did. Hands on my body like a wild sweet sin. Caught in the dark where the ship wind spins. If this is wrong, baby, I'm all in. Secret kisses under ocean black. If they come looking, we won't look back. Hearts racing fast like a midnight attack. Shh, don't tell the captain that. If anyone asks, we were dancing slow, not kissing hard, where no one can go. Don't tell the captain what we did. Hands on my body like a wild sweet sin. Caught in the dark where the ship wind spins. If this is wrong, baby, I'm all in. Secret kisses under ocean black. If they come looking, we won't look back. Hearts racing fast like a midnight attack. Shh, don't tell the captain that.